Hey y'all, we're going to do another day of Shakeology today. We're going to do Shakeology chocolate peanut butter ice cream. It's actually been one of my new favorites, Scoopable Delight. Comes off of the Shakeology, obviously, the calendar. What we're going to do is we're going to basically be adding a little bit more ice than normal because that's going to give it a thicker consistency and like a soft serve ice cream. So we're going to pour quite a bit of ice in here. And then we are going to take a scoop of almond butter, a little bit of extra, our chocolate Shakeology, I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla protein in there to give a little bit more of a protein blast, so it's a little bit more fun, healthier ice cream. And then, actually, our almond milk. And we're running a little bit of low on it. So I'm actually going to add just a little bit of skim. Now the trick is not as much liquid because it's going to give it more of a ice cream type consistency when you add in the ice. And voila, we have soft serve ice cream. Now this is going to be a little bit thicker to pull out. And it makes quite a bit, enough to share with the family. Get your spoon. And you have Shakeology ice cream. Take care guys, see you tomorrow.